and welcome back to my channel. This video is gonna be kind of nothing, but I just wanted to give you guys like an update about where I've been because I haven't posted now I think since like the 3rd, so you're talking like 2 weeks, which is fairly unusual for me. But what had happened was my laptop got broken, and with it a whole slew of unedited videos as well as some edited videos, those pertaining to amigurumi, which is still going on. Today's the 16th, so we are supposed to be working on my no sew heart, which I'll have linked below, the tutorial for that, and my website too, so you can like see the list of everything we're making. But yeah, I lost all of my stuff.
Fiddle faddle.
It does not appear to be recoverable because when I was able to get a different monitor for my computer, when I logged in, it looked like a brand new computer. Like it was my like login screen and it said my account name, but then when I like logged in, like everything was gone, which means like all of my pictures for like everything I've crocheted this year so far, all of my videos, like I said, both unedited and edited. Like literally the day before this happened, I had just finished a tutorial using the Addy knitting machine. It's not the headband tutorial that I've promised you guys for like a year now, but it was a hat tutorial, and I had just finished that, and I was like thinking, well, maybe I should start uploading this and like the other ones that I had finished tonight, because what I had been doing recently is like just filming whenever I can. It goes into a folder, then like batch editing a few, and then I just do like a dump of like edited videos. So is it like the most like practical for like YouTube growth? No. But it was like working for me, and you guys didn't seem to mind. So the fact that I was like hoarding my edited videos means I just like lost like a few good hours of like edited content. So I don't love that. And at this point, some of them I'm just like not gonna be able to reproduce. I mean, I could, like my amigurumi, like crochet with me's, I could redo those, but crochet with me's are just kind of like a lot of work. So at this point, I think as far as the crochet with me's that I promised you guys, I don't think that they're going to happen at this point. It just is what it is. Some of the financial videos I can redo easy enough, like my first quarter numbers, second quarter numbers. Well, I haven't done second quarter numbers yet. I am doing that. But it was like first quarter numbers, and what was the other financial one? Oh, my like 1 year on YouTube update. So I could redo those easy enough. They don't take like that much work. I just have to like regather like the stats and sit and talk to you guys. So like that's doable. So I'll probably have that. I don't know where I ended up on my like market videos, because I know I had some on the computer. So we definitely lost some, but I had also thankfully been hoarding, because my computer was getting full, hoarding some stuff on the memory card that's in this camera right now, because I get like 40 hours of footage. So I do have some still on this memory card, so like we're okay there. But because I like lost my stuff and was without a computer for like a little while, and was just having to like work on my Etsy like over the phone, my phone, like with my phone through the Etsy app, just like the orders that were coming in and stuff, I got used to just like not doing anything for like a little while, which is nice. So I'm like getting back into it now. Like we're probably like a week out from like the overall like incident, and I've probably only had a computer since I think it was officially Sunday that I had this back up and running. Okay, so then we're more than a week out, because now we're at almost a week. So I've had my computer. We'll just say I've had my computer at this point for almost a week. So I'm getting back into it. I don't know how long I was down without a computer, because at first I was really stressed about it, like eye twitching, hyperventilating, panic attack. All my whole life's on the computer, but I had to like really like separate, detach from that, and just like focus on my order. I'm making a guy. I don't really know what this guy is. I mean, I guess I know what he is, but I don't know like why. But so far it's a guy. See his legs and his body with a phone head, like a wall phone. So this is how far I've got on this custom order. The last custom orders you guys have heard about were like dolls and monsters and things. Those are already out, have been out for a while now. So I've got this one I'm working on, and then one after that I'm working on. And then I've been doing markets back to back to back. I went on like, initially it was just supposed to be like a 6-week run of markets every week. I think I'm at like a 10-week run of markets every week, except for like 2 or 3 weekends maybe, and some of those weekends were like full weekends, event Saturday and Sunday. So it's been a lot. Let me count up the markets. Okay, this Saturday makes 15 markets this year so far, and mind you, I didn't start till February, so it's been a lot. and I'm tired. So I guess it's pretty atrocious that my computer broke, because that's just highly inconvenient timing. And like losing all my shit is just like highly inconvenient. But having a mental break, I guess, is like has proved to be good, because I was definitely experiencing the burnout that I was starting to at like the end of last year, after like the fall just goes like right into winter, which went right into us going out of town. So by the time we were going out of town, I just like didn't have it in me to like be a business person at that time. And then I like only took like 10 days in total off after like really grinding hard since like September. So like that was enough to get back, and I've had like a really strong beginning of the year. I'm at like 75 orders on Etsy at this point, so I'm like doing good, but I was definitely starting to get like burnouty. So now I feel like a little like rejuved, you know, and I'm like ready to get going. So this is like reintroducing myself to society. Hello, nice to meet you. I'm a crochet business owner. I do Etsy. I do in-person markets. I was running an event. Now you guys are like running the event. Sorry, I have no event content. We'll be better at this next year. That's my bad. Having it backed up on my computer, I thought was having it backed up, but no, it's not. And I got some stuff on my drive. I don't know what, but it's not enough. Anything I do find for amigurumi, obviously I'll put up, but a lot of it's gone, and we're just gonna RIP, see you later, friend. But the good news is everything is like listed out with the links on my website, so it could be worse, because my website's still fine, still pretty much empty other than that, but you know, now I know for next year. You never know how to host an event till you host an event. Am I right? Yeah, this is just going to be a short little rambly video of just where I've been. I don't know the next video that's going up, so I guess you guys tell me in the comments what you want to see, whether it's a financial video or like market related stuff, like what I'm bringing, or like a recap, or both, and then I can kind of like get started again from there, or just like throw me out like what you want to see in general, even if it's not like a format that I normally use. I could tell you I lost yarn haul video, but you guys have seen like a bunch of those already this year, because I went a little crazy at the beginning of the year, but I haven't bought yarn now in like over a month. So other than I think once, but it was for an order, and it was like $10, so don't judge me. But yeah, I'm doing better about that. I went a little crazy, but now I'm trying to actually like pay off my like expenses this year. So yeah, just let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And sorry I was gone, and sorry this video has nothing to do really with crochet other than I'm talking about crochet. I just can't crochet and talk. I guess this is it, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and I don't know what that is yet, so you tell me, and goodbye.